The Supervisory Committee recommended the suspension of the proclamation of the 30 Youth Party List and BH Bagong Henerasyon due to the following pending petitions filed before the Clerk of the Commission. The 30 Youth Party List, SPP number 19-009, filed by Ria Beatriz Magtalas, Abigail Alelitan, Reyna Punsalan, and Aurel Ros Angkos, and B, SPP number 25-008, filed by Youth Advocates for Climate Action Philippines, National Coordinator Rachel Pagsanhan Hunsay, Polytechnic University of the Philippines Student Regent Michael Choi, C. Cabangon, and University of the Philippines Student Regent Francesca Maria Duran. Considering the serious allegations raised in the above petition, which involve grave violation of election laws, the National Board of Canvassers resolves to suspend the proclamation of the 30 Youth Party List and Bagong Henerasyon Party List until the speedy and judicious resolution of the petition filed before the Clerk of the Commission. So ordered, signed by all the members of the Commission and Bank as the National Board of Canvassers, with the note of the Chairman of the National Board and the Chairman of the Commission on Election. Certification approved by the Commission and Bank on 18 May 2025. Consuelo B. Jola, Director 4, Office of the Commission Secretary.